When rapid growth is in demand, what product is built to expand your imagination? Introducing Xtool F1 Ultra. It's born to be ready. Place your materials in and click the button. For the first time, we integrated a 20-watt diode laser and fiber laser together into one compact machine. Unlock your abilities to work on nearly all materials: cutting, deep engraving, embossing, and even thin metal cutting. Elevating your career to new heights with enhanced productivity and expertise. With microbeam technology, we have made the working area of the desktop galvanometer machine significantly larger, securing the best result from every perspective, empowering you to unleash your creativity. Operating this powerful machine is simple and intuitive. With the built-in smart camera design and our powerful software, you can instantly preview your work at once and autofocus it with one simple click. Whether it's for cylindrical objects or uniquely curved surfaces that only Xtool machines can handle, we pushed the boundaries further this time. Meet the Xtool F1 Ultra Conveyor. Simply place materials on the conveyor and let the camera identify objects while the software automatically fills in patterns. This industrial-grade solution streamlines your workflow. With an extensive working area of 500 millimeters by 220 millimeters, you can easily process large materials in one go. It's the only desktop laser machine with the largest working area on the market, along with a fully enclosed design, making it safe to use at all times. No more hustling and waiting, especially for in-store customization works. Enjoy extreme comfort and stability for increased customer satisfaction. And let your business expand to the next level. Xtool F1 Ultra. Ultra productive. Ultra easy.